How to update YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can update YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to update YouTube, all you have to do is, first of all, just make sure that you are connected to the proper internet connection. So open up your Wi-Fi settings, check if you're connected. If you have mobile data, unlimited one, you can just try that as well. After that, open up your Play Store if you are on Android, open up your App Store if you're on iOS. Then in the search box, you just have to go ahead and then type in YouTube over here. So once you type in YouTube, you'll be able to see this interface, where what you need to do is just tap the update option if it has an update. If you're on iOS or Android, doesn't really matter, you'll see the update button. Now if you don't see the update button and then you see the open button, it means that the YouTube app is already updated to the latest version. So to give you a basic context, this way you can update YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.